Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jen and I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom. I pretty much make videos to keep myself sane. So if you're in the same boat, consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that red button down below. In today's video, I'm doing a cook with me, or a bake with me rather, and I'm sharing with you my best version of a banana bread, and I'm so excited. So if you're ready, let's do this. Okay, so banana bread. I make a lot of banana bread. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I think I've posted it like at least 5 times since I started sharing that I've been making banana bread. But I've been making banana bread forever. I just like to do different variations of it to find the perfect recipe, and I think we found it. It is a mix between healthy and indulgent, more on the indulgent side, which is what makes banana bread so delicious. But this recipe is adapted from Surprise Surprise, one of my favorite cookbooks, Love Real Food from Cooking Kate. She has banana bread on her blog as well as her cookbook, and I've been using it as a base for what seems like forever now. I just change up the ingredients here and there to make it my own. So I'm really excited. I do add chocolate chips into the banana bread because I feel like banana and chocolate just go so well together, and the hubby really loves it. So enough talking, let's get into it. I do have the oven preheated to 325 degrees, and I do have some, a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. So let's get into making the banana bread. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil into a large bowl. It's pretty hot here in Maryland, so the coconut oil is pretty much already melted. So I'm just gonna get 1/3 of a cup of that and put that in the bowl. Okay, so just to reinforce the coconut oil, I did pop this in the microwave for about 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna add some honey. The recipe calls for about 1/2 cup of honey. Sometimes I do a little bit less than 1/2 cup because I do add a whole bag of chocolate chips into the banana bread. No shame in my game. So let's just squeeze this bad boy out. Apparently I use a lot of honey because 2 jars are already empty. Okay. Oh no, I forgot my apron. Okay, much better. Okay, so like I said, this is just under 1/2 cup of honey, which I will pour into the bowl with the coconut oil. A little trick that I do, I'll spray some non-stick spray into the measuring cup and then pour in the honey. That way it doesn't stick completely to the measuring cup. Okay, so then from there, I just kind of mix the honey with the coconut oil. It's probably better to do with a whisk. Like this. And then I go ahead and add 2 eggs. One, 2. Okay, and then I'll just whisk that as well. Like I was mentioning, this banana bread is super easy to make and also so delicious. I feel like I crave banana bread often, especially since I'm 17 weeks pregnant. Okay, so next I am going to add some mashed bananas. I use a lot of bananas. I use 3 large, super ripe bananas. I might have used 3.5 in this recipe. It just gives the banana bread a very prominent banana flavor, which I know my family loves. So I'll go ahead and add the mashed bananas. Super ripe bananas is the key to making delicious banana bread. Okay, so bananas are in, and then I'm gonna add some milk of your choice. I just have this leftover better half coconut cream and almond milk that I'm just gonna use the rest of it. I use it in my coffee, but I'll just use it for this recipe because I plan on going shopping later today and buying more. So, 1/4 cup of milk goes in. So just make sure everything's combined and blended. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'll add a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. I ran out of extract, so I've just been using the leftover bean paste. And I think it works just as well. And then half a teaspoon, actually I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A dash of cinnamon, I just go like this. A couple of dashes. Then I'll go ahead and whisk that in. So that's all mixed in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add in the flour. So this is like my little secret. I've been loving adding oat flour as well as cake flour into my banana bread. I mean, with the mix of the banana, I feel like it just comes out super moist and so delicious. The texture is amazing. I swear to you, I made this recipe last weekend and we devoured it in a weekend. So this was the key to making it delicious. So let me go ahead and add in a cup of cake flour. And I'm not like super exact with things. I just take the measuring cup. I don't really level things. Some recipes I do, but for this particular one, I just get my measuring cup and just get it in there. A cup of cake flour goes in. Okay, like that. And then 3/4 of a cup of oat flour. Again, I don't really level, I just kind of get in there. Shake off the excess. And just mix everything together. This is also when I start to mix in any add-ons or add-ins. Sometimes I use nuts, but I really love chocolate chips in my banana bread, as well as the hubby and Cam. Cam is loving nana bread, and I think the chocolate has something to do with it, but I'm taking bittersweet chocolate and I'm gonna add this whole thing. I know it sounds crazy, but honestly, it's delicious. I swear you won't regret it. And then just mix the whole entire thing. I feel like you really can't mess up banana bread. Okay, then I'll go ahead and take that lined loaf pan and just pour it into the pan. Just like that. So it will kind of fill up into the very top. The oven is already preheated to 325 degrees, and I'll probably leave this in the oven for about an hour and 5 minutes, an hour, 10 minutes. So. Ready? Okay, we be patient, okay? Okay guys, so Cam's up from her nap. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so I have taken the banana bread out of the oven. Hot. Oh, you need a tissue. So I've taken the banana bread out of the oven and I've let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. So it's as easy. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. That's right. What is that called? What is this? Nana bread. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's been cooling for 10 minutes, and now I'm just gonna take it out of the pan as easy as pulling out the parchment paper. Take it out like this. It should be super moist, baked through completely. Ooh. I know, this is what it looks like. Banana-y, chocolatey. Mommy will give you a piece, okay? Oh, this is hot. Let it cool down. Here you go. What do you think? It's definitely still warm. Mmm. Not good? Yeah, it's really good. Banana bread. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the best banana bread I've ever had, so if you guys make it, definitely let me know down in the comments below. It is hot, be careful. And if you enjoyed watching this video and want to see more cook with me videos, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and let's get to know each other. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! See you!